Hello, everyone, and welcome to the third episode of Not Your Therapist.
Yet.
And I'm your host, Anmol Preet Singh, with my co hosts, Chakshu Kaul. So, Chakshu, आज हम किस बारे में बात करने वाले हैं?
A very common experience. I think all of us must have gone through that moment where we seek solace किसी इंसान में, किसी को सुना के, किसी से बता के. और all of us have had that experience जहाँ successfully किसी ने सुना भी है, बट बहुत ज़्यादा एक्सपीरियंस ऐसा भी है जहाँ पे किसी ने सुन के भी अनसुना किया है, बोला है कि समझ रहे हैं, लेकिन आपका अंदर का बीइंग जानता है कि नहीं समझे. आपके एक्सपीरियंस को या आपके इमोशन को एक तरीके का ऐसा फील नहीं हो रहा है दैट इट्स एक्सेप्टेड, सो यू ऑलमोस्ट हैव टू प्रूव योरसेल्फ that
Right,
what I'm feeling is real.
right. So, basically, when we say depression, anxiety, trauma, right, people say they experience it, right? And they say, okay, maybe, it is there. But what if it isn't real?
Yeah, but also, just because it comes to my mind, if you take, a lot of women will relate with this, that for example when period pain, if you have to if you're working and you have to apply for a leave, a lot of women feel that hesitation or sometimes that little bit of that skepticism around it, whether I think you're not dealing with it well enough, sort of a thing. Do you think you can think of an example where someone might have had to experience जो उन्हें फील हो रहा है वो अगला एक्सेप्ट नहीं कर रहा है या देख नहीं पा रहा है, ऐसा
Well,
कुछ?
I think the whole concept where on which the patriarchy thrives, right, is that men do not feel,
Correct. Yeah.
right?
Men are not supposed to feel.
You're
Correct.
not supposed Men are not supposed to feel,
Mm.
right? And also when somebody is, let's say, actually feeling it, then they're labeled as too emotional, too
Too sensitive.
sensitive, right? Not enough men.
Yeah. Or
Right.
the rates of, in fact, suicide are higher amongst men.
Precisely.
Reason being the fact that the social support that exists around a person, उसमें मेल्स के लिए वो बहुत स्पेस नहीं है जहाँ वो बता पाए अपने बारे में या फीलिंग्स के बारे में, बिकॉज वो जगह ही नहीं एग्जिस्ट करती कि it's like saying go to the zoo and see a unicorn, you're going to be like unicorn.
Yeah. And also to think of it in a direction, right, where we say that if your leg's fractured, right, you get an X-ray,
Yeah.
it's visible there, right? And if you have sickness, you check
You have
with the
diabetes.
thermometer, the diabetes, right? All of these things are very measurable,
Correct.
right? You can see it in some system that is
Yeah.
measuring it.
Yeah.
But when it comes to let's say mental health, right? Or
Then it's a feeling.
then it's just a feeling,
Yeah.
right?
So how do you know if it's real?
Exactly, how do you know if it's real?
Someone's telling you anxiety, is it real? Someone's telling you depression, how do you know it's real? In your experience or practice, have you ever come across such a situation where a person has had to first convince their people that what they're feeling is real?
Yeah, a lot of times, right? Like when we work with corporates, a lot of times, right, they're the clients that come for sessions with us, we gathered some insights out of it, right? That okay, this is a policy, a certain policy which is not helping your people that are working there, right? But for an organization to accept that is so difficult.
Yeah.
Right, because what happens, they market as ki, if out of 10 people 8 people are able to do it, why are these two not able to do it?
Yeah.
Right.
So I think in a way हमारे environment, हम लोगों के जितने भी systems हैं अभी भी अच्छे से psychologically informed नहीं है इस चीज़ के बारे में, तो
Precisely.
हमें नहीं समझ में आता कि कौन सा सच है और कौन सा real है भी कि नहीं है, right? So it's become that type of a thing. Okay. इन diet को क्या पी रहे हो? ओह, देख तो इसको.
Okay, so from that experience, right, we understand that there is a lot of struggle, but people don't believe them, especially people who are in authority to bring that change, right? Because there could be biases, there could be not enough empathy maybe, or taking it from a perspective where it feels like it's not something which should be bothered about,
Yeah.
right?
Or if it's something that can be helped but they're not trying hard enough.
Exactly.
So in a way, you first have to convince them
Yeah,
Uh, this can be, I think I can mentally form so many examples related to sexuality about it, gender for that matter.
exactly.
People who are rape victims
Mm,
or survivors who do try to go get complaints, you have to first convince whether it happened or not.
exactly.
It's an
Imagine.
extension
Yeah,
of that,
yeah,
right? It
precisely.
matches that mindset sort.
Right.
So in a way, would if you don't see my struggles, does that mean they're not real? Correct. Take into account, for example, oxygen. You don't see it. Remove the oxygen from the atmosphere.
People will die.
ग्रेविटी दिख रही है,
Jump.
ग्रेविटी बनी किससे है?
Yeah.
फिजिक्स बोल रहा है कि इतना दूर जाके दो ब्लैक होल्स कोलाइड किए हैं तो ग्रेविटेशनल वेव आई, ये तुमको जम रहा है।
मैं बोल रहा हूँ मुझे रोना आ रहा है, तुम मुझसे पूछ रहे हो
तू
तुम्हें
नाटक क्यों कर रहा है
नाटक
बे?
क्यों कर
ये
रहा
क्या
है बे?
नाटक है?
Yeah, you're ready to believe that, but this
तुमको
sounds
ग्रेविटी
like
में मानना
something.
नहीं है ना,
हाँ,
जाओ छत
कूद जाओ.
मत कूदना। शक्तिमान, थिंक अबाउट इट, शक्तिमान, यू रिमेम्बर अब के टाइम में कितना डिफरेंस है और तब के टाइम, सॉरी ये जस्ट अ टेंजेंट था।
Hmm.
शक्तिमान को ऐसे एपिसोड में बोलना पड़ता था कि बच्चों ऐसा मत करो। अरे आज के बच्चों में इंस्टाग्राम की रील्स घर पे कैसे बनानी हो, सो वी हैव टू एजुकेट पीपल, बेसिकली दैट इज आवर
Yeah.
गॉड गिवन टास्क। Anyway,
But
coming
छत
back.
से मत कूदना guys. That was just a joke.
हाँ, exactly. Okay, so just because an experience is invisible to you does not mean it is imaginary. So that is what we want to shed more light upon.
Right.
Why is it important though?
Hmm.
Why do you think this is important?
Because somewhere to realize that we are not just our physical self, right? There is another self which operates on so many different levels, right? चाहे वो हमारा hormonal self है,
Correct.
right? चाहे वो हमारा logical self है,
Emotional
चाहे
self
वो
है.
हमारा emotional self, multiple layers हैं. So to actually bring that balance, first of all you need to have that understanding and acceptance
Correct.
that it exists.
Yeah.
It exists in my system. It is part of me.
And that's what we want to shed more light upon today. How does it exist?
Precisely.
That's why you're not able to believe it.
Right.
Because you don't, when we see physics, हमको representation दिखता है, maths, numbers दिखते हैं, हड्डी टूटती है एक्सरे में दिखता है, कोई बोल रहा है मेरे को ट्रॉमा है और थरा रहा है, तो
नहीं दिखता.
like let me give you an example, amazing example of this. Imagine you see a person who is running. You are able to see them from, let's say, a quadrangle, they're running like this. एंड आफ्टर अ पॉइंट वो बैठते हैं और एक पूरा अच्छे से एग्जॉस्टेड जो भागा है उसका फिजिकल डिमीनर कैसा होगा? यू विल सी देम, व्हाट विल दे डू?
हाफरे होंगे, पसीना आ रहा होगा.
करेक्ट, दे विल बी प्रॉब्ली रेस्टिंग,
Yeah.
स्वेटिंग,
Hmm.
breathing, but they won't be panicking.
Hmm.
Make sense? From a distance you're watching. Now from a distance, what does a panic attack look like?
Same. Where your breath is
You're
heavy,
sweating or
you're
you're
sweating.
cold.
Yeah.
You're pacing,
Yeah.
you're breathing, but you don't know what happened. Because in one, when you're running, you know what happened to me. But when you're panicking, I was fine like a minute ago. Suddenly my heart is racing, my mind is scattered, or I can't think straight. Someone's asking me a question 2 minutes back, I could give a perfectly logical answer. Now I feel I'm blank. And so they're thinking I'm doing a drama. अब मैं क्या डिफेंड करूँ अपना जो ये मेरा चालू हो गया है कि पहले तुमको कन्विंस करूँ।
हाँ, पहले कन्विंस करूँ कि मेरे साथ ये.
तो मेरे को पहले फिर तुम बोल रहे तुम मुद्दे पे नहीं रह रहे हो,
हाँ.
तुमने मुद्दा चेंज किया। Sorry, took a user perspective from 2 seconds. Let us go back to being experts.
Coming back.
Then why, if it's important, then why is it lagging? I won't say it doesn't exist. I say we can feel it. I'll give you an example. A lot of the times when I've worked with, for example, couples, both the couples know, partners know, they're aware कि मेरे को इसको क्या फील हो रहा है, उनको क्या चाहिए, बट हमको पता है, हम करते नहीं. So even though you're aware of this thing, we know how it exists. Why is it so hard to accept then?
Right.
Where is the real problem?
Right.
Exactly.
Right.
This is
Because I think most of the time people tend to believe in things that they can touch, that they can see,
Yeah,
right?
that
The
can be
appearance,
quantified.
right? So, and also quantified in the sense that already exists, right? From a reference to another very physical quantity to quantify it. But
फिजिकल डैमेज दिखता भी है
precisely,
बेसिकली
and we believe it also, right?
Correct.
पैर टूटा है तो दिखेगा वो टूटा है,
Yeah.
right? X-ray में भी आएगा, like we
Yeah.
said, right? But when it comes to mental health or the emotional states, that's not something which is very outwardly apparently visible,
Totally.
right? When we say symptoms of depression, right, when we look at somebody, that can vary from one situation to another.
Totally.
A
It's a
depressed
spectrum
person can
right
be,
there.
like we discussed in the previous episode as well, a depressed person can go to parties and party as
They
well.
can be in functional depression.
They can be in functional depression. There's so many ways, you know, mental health or our emotional states tend to manifest outside. Depression, anxiety, right? All these disorders, when we talk about, even though there are physical manifestations of it, but they vary in nature so much, right? So that means there is no one quantifiable variable there, right? Which is why I think it becomes difficult for people to actually accept it that
Yeah.
this phenomenon does exist.
And I think what also needs to exist is a simpler way to understand why is such a difference exactly in this understanding, because इसका कोई representation भी है नहीं हमारे पास, हम ये thought में बोलते हैं सिर्फ समझो. For example, we have to take into account the neural states of a person. Depression is a complete serotonin dopamine का dysregulation. Anxiety is a complete amygdala का overstimulation. Chronic stress is cortisol का dysregulation. These are real chemicals. You're not faking it, you're feeling it.
Exactly.
Others are not able to see it, so they're not able to measure क्योंकि साइकोलॉजिकल हेल्थ, मेंटल हेल्थ जिस तरीके से मेजर होती है वैसे बाकी चीज़ें मेजर नहीं होती जो आसान है, समझना आसान है. मसल ग्रोथ हुआ है दिखता है, कॉन्फिडेंस ग्रो हुआ है तो फील होता है.
Precisely.
Yeah.
Precisely.
So what we want to explore is this difference and divide exactly. For example, take into account when somebody breaks their foot, for example. किसी का पैर अगर टूट गया है, आपकी एडवाइस क्या होगी उसके लिए?
डॉक्टर के पास जाओ, आराम करो.
करेक्ट. और उस पैर के लिए एडवाइस क्या होगी स्पेसिफिकली?
कि मूव मत करना है इसको जब तक
है ना?
हील ना हो जाए.
हाँ, कि आप बोलोगे नहीं इस पे चल के दिखा, तू कर सकता है. नहीं, you will not ask them to prove
Right.
that this leg can do it. No. So if somebody is saying that this part of my life, my emotional side, this part of my life, my work side, this part of my life, my education side, मैं पढ़ रहा हूँ या पढ़ रही हूँ, बट मुझे नहीं रिलेट हो रहा है किसी से, इस पार्ट को आपको एक्सेप्ट करने में मुश्किल होता है. राइट. यू आर टेलिंग देम प्रूव इट टू मी दैट यू कैन डू इट. हाँ, उसको जो फ्रैक्चर्ड लग रहा है तुम टांग पे नहीं बोलोगे प्रेशर डालने के लिए, लेकिन इसके लिए बोलोगे कि करके दिखा.
बिल्कुल.
तो यू सी द वे टू डील विद इट इज थ्रू योर पर्सपेक्टिव.
But don't you think sometimes in this direction, like if we take everything at the face value, what the other person is telling us, right? Especially when it comes to emotional states or mental health for that matter, right? Don't you think people can take a lot of advantage of that because
Yeah.
the way we actually perceive it from the other person's perspective is only when what they communicate with us. Depression is so chalo anyway, you know, a very high level of, you know, mental state that, you know, a person can reach, right, which may be difficult for people to relate with, right? Can you give me something which happens in a regular day life that can help our viewers or us to understand it better?
Understand the fact that perspectives can differ. Yeah. Traffic. For example, you are driving, you are late, you have an important meeting, or you have an interview, or you have a flight to catch. So you will be in a rush. Let's say while you are in a rush, you are in a cab and वो किसी को ठोक देता है. आपके कैब वाले को अगले वाला बंदा आता है और आप उसको पर्सनली जाके बोलते हो कि मेरा ये फलाना रीज़न है, आप प्लीज़ अंडरस्टैंड करिए, मुझे जाने दीजिए. योर एक्सपेक्टेशन इज टू from what is your expectation from them?
That they understand my reason and let me go.
Makes sense?
Yeah.
So our reason is important. Why won't you understand? Correct?
Yeah.
Now imagine we'll reverse. You are not the one traveling. Somebody else is traveling. Your car is the one जिसको ठुक गई. And the person says this to you. What do you do?
I'll be like, भाई मेरा भी तो नुकसान हुआ है, right? Why are you not understanding what I'm going through?
Correct.
Yeah.
Or when, for example, leaves happen, when we apply for leaves. This is also a perspective. Why won't you understand? And this is also the perspective of the leave giver.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's not under me. Why don't you
exactly.
understand?
I have to follow policies. Yeah.
Exactly. So where does this difference lie?
Hmm.
इस difference में बहुत ज़्यादा confusion हो जाता है. That is, I think, the part where we need to shed more light upon
Indeed.
advantage.
So, but don't you think that, when we say understanding other person's perspective or understanding other person's emotions, the way other people communicate with us is through conversations, right? So that becomes one of the very major part of being able to understand what the other person is going through.
Correct.
But don't you think people can take advantage of that?
Actually, yeah. I mean, it's not like that disparity doesn't exist. Black and white के angle पे, yes, it does. If you look at it, mental health is over labeled at this point in time.
Romanticized.
It is romanticized also. Over label हो गया, trauma के नाम पे सब trauma है. डिटैचमेंट का मतलब होता है कूल हो रहे हो आप रिलेशनशिप में डिटैच्ड हो उसका मतलब आप किसी से अटैच नहीं हो. दैट इज नॉट व्हाट डिटैचमेंट मींस.
Yeah,
You know?
that's what the current generation is going through.
Yeah. So
And these things are popular, these are trending.
exactly.
Imagine saying, "Oh, I'm detached from my family," and that's
Exactly.
apparently a good thing.
Yeah.
I'm
And
detached from my
gaslighting
friend.
भी सभी gaslighting हो गया.
Yeah,
इधर you remember अभी I was watching this video where Ranveer Kapoor was talking about when he tried therapy and it didn't work for him. I was glad he mentioned that maybe he was not able to deal with the process or the therapist was not up to his alignment. But at one point he said that the therapist was trying to manipulate him,
yeah. Manipulate his life.
decisions, his way of thinking. Perspective changes everything.
Precisely.
So it's an interesting.
Yeah, I saw that video where he was saying that, why would I want to change my,
Exactly.
things, how I do it, even if it is going to bring me peace and happiness.
Exactly. So what I want to do is I actually want to showcase this misalignment.
Hmm.
What I want to do is I want to show the graphical representation of how this misalignment looks like in a body, ताकि
Yes.
हम इस चीज़ को समझें कि एग्जैक्टली प्रोसेस क्या हो रहा है. समझ रहे हो आप? प्रोसेस वाइज हम इसको समझते हैं. कट कुट कहाँ बनाएंगे अभी ड्राइंग. The misalignment between two people that happens in a situation. For that, first of all, we require two people. Excuse my great fine art skills. This is happening very impromptu. This one has a sharper nose and a ठुड्डी. Sorry. ठीक है. ठीक है. So this person is person A. This person is person B. Open this for me, please. Now let's say person A has been worried about something. Person A is worried about their job. और person A has been having some crisis. तो उसकी लाइफ में फ़िलहाल 2-4 दिन के गैप पे एक सर्टन टाइप ऑफ इमोशन जागता रहता है और वो बी के साथ अपना इमोशन शेयर करता रहता है और ये ऐसा ही एक दिन है. और यहाँ पे आया ए के ब्रेन में. लेट्स गिव देम बोथ ब्रेन्स. ठीक है. एंड इसके ब्रेन में कुछ प्रोसेसिंग चालू हुई, थॉट चालू हुई, जिसने एक नर्वस सिस्टम के इस प्रोसेस को चालू कर दिया. कैसे चालू किया? टेक्निकल बेसिस पे वेगस नर्व ने खींचा इमोशंस के लिए न्यूरोकेमिकल्स को ऊपर और ये वाले केमिकल्स चालू हो गए. गिव मी द ब्लू वन. और इसने क्या किया? ए ने ये प्रोसेसिंग की यहाँ पे और यहाँ से कम्युनिकेशन किया इसने सुनाने के लिए पर्सन बी को. पर्सन बी के अंदर प्रोसेसिंग हुई ब्रेन के अंदर. उस प्रोसेसिंग में थॉट्स ने कुछ बोला, इमोशंस ने कुछ बोला. अब इनके खुद के इमोशंस में जो प्रोसेसिंग आई वो जो सर्किट सिस्टम चालू हुआ नर्वस सिस्टम का वो ये वाला चालू. ठीक है. तो इनके ब्रेन ने प्रोसेसिंग के बेसिस पे अलग सर्किट चालू किया है जो इसने इंटेंट ओरिजिनली नहीं किया था और इसी के बेस पे पर्सन बी ने इसको वापस कुछ बोला. जैसे ही इस सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम के जवाब को इस सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम ने सुना, पर्सन ए के सिस्टम ने सुना, उनके करंट नर्वस सिस्टम का जो ये सिस्टम था उसने डिटेक्ट किया कि कुछ एलियन आ रहा है हल्का हल्का. उसको समझ नहीं आया, पसंद नहीं आया और करने में ये इंटेंस और हो गया. नाउ इस इंटेंसिटी के साथ पर्सन ए इसके सब वापस जवाब देता है और ये सेंस करता है कि ये कुछ तो ऐसे है, ये मुझे नहीं जम रहा है, आई एम गोइंग टू. अनइंटेंशनली इसका ये वाला ज़्यादा शार्प हो जाता है. नाउ यू हैव कंप्लीट एंड टोटल मिसअलाइनमेंट बिकॉज ये जिस फीलिंग से के साथ गई थी या गया था, जिस फीलिंग के साथ ये जवाब दिया और नहीं दिया. So in that picture, we see two people who are in complete misalignment. That is why when you have gone with one certain emotion, but it has not been received that way, your body can sense it.
Right.
Your body can sense the difference because हम 70-80% के बीच का रेशियो नॉन वर्बली लेते हैं. आप किसी जानवर डॉगी के पास जाते हो, आपको कैसे पता है वो काटेगा नहीं? आप उसको देखते हो ना.
Right.
You're reading them.
So in a way, what we see, what we touch, what we taste, what we hear, right? In a way, all these sensations that we get from our environment, right? It goes into a processing system,
Correct.
right? That's where the mental functioning starts happening,
Correct.
right? So when we say that only things that appear to us are real, right, we are not taking into consideration that is just the first level of processing.
Correct. Soil की भी layers होती हैं.
Precisely.
And so in a way mental health is real, but the way we talk about it is not real.
Yeah.
That's the gap. There's a gap in empathy. जब आपको भूख नहीं लग रही है तो भूखा इंसान ड्रामेटिक लगता है. मैरी एंटरनेट ने बोला था केक दिला दो इन लोग को, भूखे लोग को, तो फिर गेम होता है कि नहीं. So naturally, if you are not in depression, if you've never felt that way, depression looks like laziness to you.
Precisely. Anxiety looks like you being dramatic,
Yeah.
right?
आप कोई भी चीज़ अगर आपकी पेन है, आपका पर्सपेक्टिव है वो आपसे अलग है, तो ऑल ऑफ अ सडन आपकी अब स्ट्रगल वो पर्सपेक्टिव नहीं, उस पर्सपेक्टिव को प्रूव करना है.
हाँ, आपको अदरवाइज वीक बोला जाता है कि यू आर बीइंग वीक.
और कितने साल लग जाते हैं पहले जस्ट एक्सेप्टेंस में, फिर आप आते हो उस पे कि यार एक्सेप्टेंस के बाद कि अब इसको हील कैसे करूं.
Precisely.
पहले फिर वो एक वेट और एक हैवीनेस है कि why, how could I let this happen to myself? Why was I not validating myself at that point in time?
Because understanding ही नहीं थी उस चीज की.
Yeah.
Right. So now that we have talked about that, how different perspectives, how different emotional states, right, can hinder the process of understanding each other as human beings for that matter, and also establish the fact that there is a system called as mental health or mental system that we all have and it exists, right? So how do we manage, or how do we go about resolving this conflict of perspectives that we usually have with other people?
So let me ask you a question. Have you been to France?
No.
Have you seen Eiffel Tower?
No.
Is it real?
Yeah.
How do you know?
How do I know? Because I've seen pictures, I've heard people talking about it.
Right. So when pictures didn't exist, people still knew about it. दूर दूर तक क्या होता था, लिखा हुआ होता था.
Yeah.
लोग बोल रहे होते थे. Means when people collectively are believing in something, that thing probably exists somewhere. Correct? अब इसी सिस्टम का ऑपोजिट क्या है? आपके में कुछ फील हो रहा है आपको, आप उसकी वैलिडेशन खुद में तो फील कर रहे हो, नेक्स्ट स्टेप कहाँ ढूंढोगे? लोगों में ढूंढोगे. जब लोगों को ही नहीं समझ में आएगा कि डिफरेंस अलाइनमेंट का किधर है. So the best thing you can do today for your partner, your parent, your child, your sibling, if you really want them to grow, is to understand this misalignment, understand that it's not your job to create that system in them, but to just receive from their system, contain, give them space.
Right.
And how do we do that? We'll talk about in next episode.
Stay tuned. So, guys, if you like today's episode, do subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends. थोड़ी नॉलेज साइकोलॉजी की अब आपको भी आ ही गई है. Also, at the same time, please do let us know if you have any recommendations for any new topics that you would like us to talk about. Drop your comments below.